I said, I don't know.
What in the world?
350.
Hang on,
You.
time out.
And then.
Time out. Lukacs.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Laszlo A. Lukacs versus Laszlo
Right.
Lukacs and Linda Lukacs, 260-0415. I also have a balance to pay. Who's Laszlo R? Where's Laszlo R? Your name?
Laszlo R. Lucas.
You owe the court $248.
I do.
Yeah. In 2024, you don't pay your court costs?
Paid today. I wasn't aware I owed anything.
That's 24F243102. You're to pay that when you leave.
Absolutely.
Your name
Linda Lucas.
and your name.
Laszlo A.
You
Lucas.
guys are
This is already off to a wild start. A father, a son, a property in Hungary, and a small claims courtroom thousands of miles away. If that sounds complicated, don't worry. It gets even messier. And trust me, the judge is trying to figure out where this legal puzzle even begins.
your name.
Laszlo A. Lucas.
You guys are father and son and you're suing one another, my lord.
Unfortunate.
What is happening in this world? See, the property transfer, you say the property transfer financial payments not made. I don't know what you mean by that.
What it is, Your Honor.
Just tell me real quick, because I got to swear you in and explain your rights.
Well, we bought a property jointly in Hungary back in 2009. I maintained it, I paid for it, and then finally, our 50%, since we are older, we tried to transfer it to him. My wife has left over 25%, I had 25%, but I made a condition that he pays me $450 a month fee. And then he didn't do that, and then I went to his house. I said, I don't know.
What in the world?
350.
Hang on,
You.
time out.
And then.
Time out. I'm not even sure you're in the right court. If this is over property in Hungary,
Yes,
Jesus. Okay, let's just slow down.
slow down. Okay, Your Honor.
If you're going to proceed in the small claims division, you're giving up rights. You're giving up the right to hire a lawyer, demand a trial by jury, appeal my decision.
I do,
You give up those rights?
I do,
You give up the right to seek in excess of $7,000?
I do.
Mr. Lukacs, you understand those rights?
I do.
If you want to preserve those rights, just tell me, I'll remove the case and you can go to I'll still preside, but it'll be in the general civil division. You can appeal, you can hire a lawyer, demand a jury trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You wish to give up those rights?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, do you wish to give up those rights?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you to do that?
No.
Anybody force you to do that?
No, sir.
Anybody force you to do that?
No,
Raise your
Notice
right
what
hands.
the judge is doing here. Before hearing the facts, he's making sure both sides understand they're giving up important rights by staying in small claims court. No jury, no lawyers, and very limited appeal options. That's a big deal. And once they agree, they're committed to this faster, simpler process.
Do that.
no,
Raise your right hands. You solemnly swear affirm under penalties of perjury, the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole truth, so help you God. Mr. Lukacs? Mr. Lukacs? Ms. Lukacs? All right, let's start over.
okay.
So you guys, you own some property in Hungary, right, Mr. Lukacs?
May I read it to you? Or I'll give it to you so you can read it quickly. I summarized everything here.
Whatever you want to
Make
do.
it simple for you.
Well, I know, but he needs to hear it. Have you given him a copy?
Right here is the copy.
Give me the original then. Let me take a look.
Take a look at it.
And Mr. Lukacs, you want me to read it to you, sir and ma'am? Or do you want to review it yourselves?
I can review it this way. He left a copy of this in my wife's windshield a couple days ago. There's nothing relevant in here. I looked it over.
That's not in your windshield. This is, I wrote this up as a summary.
No, sir.
Not the 350.
Is any of this in writing?
Your Honor,
Is any of this in writing? Did you guys put any writing together?
No, sir.
not the 350.
What's that?
Not the $350.
Well, then how am I going to give you that money?
Well, because on his word, Your Honor, he took over my company since 2013 for $360,000. He paid part of it until 2019. He still owed the 240,000 he never pays. On his word doesn't go nowhere. And I wouldn't be here asking for $350 today if he honors the date. He took the money out of my own company, $500,000 receivable, $58,000 assets, and he's still using those today. And he left me dry. I only live on Social Security.
Oh,
Yeah, and
That's why
this is where the case starts running into serious trouble. The plaintiff is talking about business deals, property transfers, old debts, broken promises, and family disputes spanning years. The problem? Courtrooms run on evidence, not memories. And right now, the judge is hearing a lot of allegations.
yeah, and
that's why I have a problem with 350. I would need it otherwise.
you don't owe him the money?
No, sir. This is his third attempt of harassment on me. The first one was dismissed, last one was dismissed last year with prejudice. This is now the third time.
Was that in front of me?
Yes, sir.
Were they both in front of me?
No,
The second one was, I listed the case numbers on my, I filed a motion to dismiss. The second one, 2025,
Hang on.
the case number. This is just an ongoing harassment I'm getting.
Did I rule in his favor before on this, Mr. Lukacs?
no, I dropped up. We had an issue with a joint car, and that's what I was here the last time, and I dismissed that case. That's it. I never been here before on any case with him.
I thought he looked familiar.
Yes. He tried to, this is the,
Jennifer, they have another case in front of me?
Judge, not that I'm aware of, is there, let me,
No, did they, like a year or two ago?
let me pull up.
it's listed in my motion, 2025-25-00344SC. There's another one in 2021.
Where is that for?
That was also dismissed.
What is that for?
It's your case, I don't know.
Tell me.
I entered some dismissal with prejudice on 2025-25-00344-SC. I entered that on April the 8th of 25.
That's the
And I'm
only
pulling it.
The defendant is arguing this isn't really about the money. It's about a pattern, multiple lawsuits, different complaints, and repeated trips to court. Whether that's true or not, judges tend to pay close attention when a case starts looking more like an ongoing family feud than a straightforward legal
25.
dispute.
That's the
And I'm
only
pulling
one
it
we
up.
had. That's the only one I had.
This is so sad.
And that was over
How
a
old are you?
Mercedes, Your Honor. That was not over property.
It was over a what?
It was, the complaint and indicates it was over a 2004 Mercedes.
That's the only one, yes.
Well, that's not the same as here, is
It's
it?
not the same case, but this, it's always something different. This is now another angle that he's trying to harass us with.
Yeah.
You don't have anything in
He's,
writing.
he's been in court with the union, locally the union for $1 million judgment.
I don't care.
And then he tried to implicate me.
You don't have anything in writing here where I can grant this relief for you. How am I supposed to know this?
Well, because he promised it. That was the time, my wife signed it in September. He made my wife sign it. I refused to sign it until October, and he had me over with a video conference. His wife was over there. I hand him a check, a copy of the check, went to deposit this money. My wife went back about a couple of weeks later.
You guys, this is sad. This
And he
is sad.
told her he's gonna make up an agreement. That agreement never happened. Needs the money.
This might be the saddest moment of the entire hearing. The judge isn't frustrated because he doesn't care. He's frustrated because family conflicts like this rarely have a clean legal solution. When trust breaks down between relatives, even winning in court can feel like losing.
Needs the money.
It's still, I don't care what you guys tell me, it's still sad. I don't think I can give you this relief. I don't know how I can. You got nothing in writing for me, sir.
Well, people make promises, right?
Well, I get it, but
I just heard you talking about all these cases. Everybody was talking on what I heard, what I said. The guy on the video said you believe what he was saying. I'm not here to lie. For us, it's a must money because our living expenses is beyond our income. He can return the property, Your Honor. Just give it back to me. Very simple.
I think this is so sad, you guys.
Not only that, he changed the keys on the house in showroom, so we can't even get into
Did
it.
you do that?
I'm sorry?
Did you change the keys? The house key?
We did because we had all the family members that were getting in there, so it's been changed, but my family there has keys. They maintain the property, he has use of the property if he needs to use it. It's
But
getting currently renovated right now.
Mr.
And that's the ball
Lukacs,
game. The judge rules the defendant, not because he necessarily believes one side over the other, but because the plaintiff simply didn't provide enough proof to meet the legal burden. It's a reminder that in court, a promise may feel real, but without evidence, it can be nearly impossible to enforce. What do you think? Was this a
They
legitimate
renovated right
claim?
now.
Mr. Lukacs, I'm sorry. You don't have enough proof here. I'm gonna have to find for the defendant no cause of action. I'm sorry. There's just not enough here. You can go down the hall and get a copy of this small claims.
With prejudice again.
I'm entering a judgment and no cause of action.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Good luck.
here's that, sir.